Unraveling the mystery of wrap rings. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to decipher an intriguing phrase that might have puzzled you: wrap rings. We'll explore what this term means, where it's commonly used, and how you can understand it in context. So, if you've come across this term and found yourself scratching your head, worry no more. Let's get into the world of wrap rings and uncover its meaning together. Wrap rings is a term that you might not find in everyday conversation. Actually, it comes from the world of climbing. A wrap ring is a piece of climbing equipment that is used for rappelling. That's a technique climbers use to descend from a cliff or a mountain by sliding down a rope. The ring part of the term is quite literal. These are typically metal rings or loops that are attached to the end of a rope. Climbers rely on wrap rings to help ensure their descent is safe and controlled. They are essential gear in many climbers' kits. Now, let's delve into why wrap rings are important in climbing. Climbers need to be sure that their equipment is secure and will not damage the rope. Wrap rings provide a smooth surface that the rope can slide over, preventing it from wearing out too quickly or snapping. Moreover, wrap rings are considered a safer and more environmentally friendly option compared to other methods, such as leaving carabiners or quick links, because they allow the rope to be retrieved without leaving anything behind on the rock face. Understanding the term is one thing, but using it correctly in a sentence is another. Let's look at a few examples. Before you start rappelling, make sure to thread the rope through the wrap rings correctly. We installed some wrap rings at the top of the route to make the descent safer for future climbers. Always check the wrap rings for any signs of wear or damage before using them. Notice how the term is used in a practical sense, often as an object that is acted upon or inspected. While wrap rings are specifically a climbing term, the idea of using specialized equipment for safety can be applied in many areas. For instance, in any discussion about activities requiring safety gear, you could draw an analogy to wrap rings to illustrate the importance of using the right tools for the job. There you have it. We've climbed the linguistic mountain and now understand what wrap rings are all about. They're not just two random words strung together, but a term that carries importance in the climbing community and teaches us a lesson in safety and environmental responsibility. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and enriched your English vocabulary, especially with terms that are specific to certain activities. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure. Stay safe and take care.